We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time, and the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.